Student's Book, page 30, track 21. Read and listen to the story.
Kids start cooking.
Today, we're in a TV studio.
Hello, I'm Oliver Ramsey and this is Kids Start Cooking.
Eric and Kate are on the red team. Danny and Liz are on the blue team.
And today, the teams are making chocolate biscuits.
Oh no! Kate is swapping the sugar for salt.
OK, kids, start cooking.
Kate and Eric put butter and sugar in the bowl and mix them with a spoon.
How many eggs?
Add 2 eggs. I'm adding some flour.
Liz and Danny put eggs and flour into the bowl.
Kate, have we got any chocolate chips?
Yes, here they are.
Look, Eric is taking the wrong bowl.
Now, bake in the oven for 20 minutes.
OK.
Danny puts the biscuits in the oven. The biscuits are ready. But who is the winner?
This has got lots of salt in it.
What? Kate doesn't understand.
Well done, blue team.
Kate is angry with Eric. Liz and Danny are the winners.